welcome back. May 31st. Can you guys believe it? It is the last day of May. June is right around the corner. This year has flown by. It's flying by. Thank you so much for being here. I do appreciate it. I hope you all are having a fantastic day. I am so excited. As you can see from the description below, today we are going to be unboxing one of my favorite subscriptions, and that is the June 2019 Thrift-A-Bag. Before we get into the box, I do want to say if you are new, please consider hitting that subscribe button. We would love to have you join our YouTube family. And don't forget to leave a comment down below with your thoughts, letting me know what you think of the unboxing. I do love hearing from you guys. Also, don't forget we have a lot of upcoming giveaways, so stay tuned for those. But we have our big old box. So I did go ahead and just kind of open the top so we can move along. And then this is what you see whenever you open it. There's always like a information sheet on top. And the one thing I really love about this subscription is you have, your information sheet, but she always includes a cute gift bag in case one of the items in here is not really your taste. You can gift a bag. So I love that touch. For those of you that are not familiar with Thrift-A-Bag, this is a monthly subscription where you can receive 3 items, and they can be purses, totes, wallets, crossbody bags, makeup bags, just a variety, and they are all brand name. I've received Michael Kors, Coach, Dooney and Bourke, Vera Bradley, Nine West, all kinds of brands, and they are always immaculate. I have received quite a few brand new items, and it is amazing. It blows my mind. And then if you do receive a pre-owned bag, you would never know. It is in immaculate condition. The curator of this box does an amazing job at cleaning and finding the bags that are in pristine condition. She's a power seller on eBay, so that should tell you something right there. I will put a link down below if you would like to sign up, and this is through Cratejoy. I do have a code SNMOM to get you $5 off your first box. It does start at $35 a month. That is if you want to go ahead and prepay for 3, 6, or even 12 months. So let's get into the June 2019 Thrift-A-Bag. I am so excited, and I can't wait to see what we have in here. So this is one thing too. She wraps each of your 3 items in bubble wrap so well. Like, she blows my mind with her attention. Her attention to detail and making sure that your stuff arrives safely. So let's see what this is. This is so pretty, and it's like a hard, it's like a clutch. All right, let's see. This is from Macy's International Concepts Gold Herring Evening Clutch. Oh my goodness, this is gorgeous. And I don't know if you guys can see, but like in here, there's little specks. That is beautiful. And looking at it, no scratches, no nothing. Looks brand new. Oh, is it brand new? It is brand new. It is brand new. It still has, because it does have in here a chain if you want to. Oh, that's a long chain too. It has a really long chain if you would want to use it that way. But attached to it was the price tag. So this is brand new. That is so pretty. And I like that it's a snap closure. And again, you can use this this way just as a clutch, or you do have the strap, the metal strap to use as well. This is so pretty, and it is like, this is sturdy. Nothing's happening to anything in here. So this is gorgeous. So yay, item 1, check. All right, so then we have, we have a big old bag. Oh, it's stuck to the other bag. Tape. Okay, sorry. Something really big in here. This is like my size purse, like a mama purse. A mama bag. Oh, wow. This oh my gosh. This is gorgeous. This is from the Sack Leather Patchwork Silver Lake Hobo Shoulder Bag. This is brand new as well. It still has the tags. But you guys, look at this. This is so, let me move the tags so you can see, because there's like a cute little tassel on that side. That is so pretty. And then the back, I like that it has this zipper here. Oh my gosh. Ooh, the inside is so pretty. The inside is like this bright teal. We have a zipper pouch here, and then over on this side we have a couple little pockets. But you guys see how, like, this purse is definitely a mama purse, or if you just need to carry lots of stuff, this is for you. And the original price of this purse, you guys, oh my gosh, was $200. Can you see right there? So here's a $200 purse. Brand new. Super, super cute. It has that, like, I guess because of the leather. Yeah, this is leather. I guess because of the leather, it kind of has like that new car smell. Oh my gosh, but that is so pretty. I love that. I just, $200, and plus that cute clutch, and we still have one more to go. Oh my gosh. Okay. Let's bubble wrap up off the floor. All right, so we've got one more in here. Just put that down on the floor. All right, so this again is wrapped up. Told you guys. It's a Coach purse. It's like a crossbody. Look at that. So beautiful. It's almost like a semi-metallic gray. Look at the detail here on the side. You have the little Coach. Which way does it go? There we go. Got it all twisted. The little Coach tag there. And then obviously you see it says Coach right here. No spots on this. And inside we have a little zipper pouch right here. And then on this side there is a pocket. And it again is just in immaculate condition. And so stinking cute. And a crossbody is perfect for summertime. Especially, you know, if you're out and about doing events and things. Oh my goodness. All right. Oh. Coach leather metallic Ashley crossbody bag. So yeah, I was thinking it had this like metallic look, which is super cute. Y'all, this is amazing. Like, and you can adjust the strap, you know, for whatever length you need it to be. If you want it on your hip, a little higher, a little lower. So cute. So we have this beautiful Coach crossbody, this amazing sack, brand new, originally $200 purse that is like amazing, and then this gorgeous brand new clutch that is just like gorgeous. So yet again, Thrift-A-Bag killed it. I'm telling you, the curator, she is such a sweetheart, and she does such an amazing job finding these bags. The quality, 2 of the 3 are brand new. The Coach purse was not brand new, but you would not know it looking at it. So let me know your thoughts down below. I'm telling you guys, this subscription, if you love handbags, and like I said, you could also get wallets. You could get, I think I got a lunch bag one time, a Kate Spade lunch cooler, makeup bags. I mean, you could get such a variety of products that you could get in this subscription. It's amazing. You know, you can always get the subscription and keep a bag for yourself, and then you've got a couple of gifts. So, you know, the possibilities are endless. And again, I will put that link down below as well as that coupon code. If you do notice this look in the next few videos, that is because I'm filming quite a few right now, trying to get caught up and ahead of the game, actually. So if you see my cat ears, I haven't worn them in a while, but I know I've told you guys that it has been like crazy, ridiculous hot here. So my hair is pulled back in a ponytail, and I decided I was going to put my cat ears on because I haven't worn them in forever. So, I hope you guys enjoyed. Again, please do subscribe if you have not already. I hope you all have a fantastic day, and I will see you guys with the next video. Bye.